In this video, we'll show you how to use Dapper with dotConnect for QuickBooks Online to build a clean, high-performance data layer in your .NET application. To get started, you'll first need to create a new console application project in Visual Studio. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at some data from the QuickBooks Online database. Right-click on Data Connections and select Add Connection. Choose QuickBooks Online and use the interactive OAuth method. With a single click on the Sign In button, you'll receive all the necessary tokens automatically. No manual setup required. All connection parameters will be filled in and ready to use. Click Test Connection to confirm it's working. Once connected, explore your available tables, view their fields, and preview the data structure with ease. Next up, let's set up QuickBooks Online connectivity. Right-click on Solution Explorer, open the NuGet Package Manager, search for Dapper, and click Install. Then, install the Dapper Data QuickBooks Online package. Once installed, you'll need to activate your Dapper license. Click the button to open the Dapper customer portal, then sign up or sign in. Copy the generated license key and use it to activate the product. Your project is now fully set up and ready to go. First, we create a helper class to store the QuickBooks Online connection strings. It includes a method that opens and returns a ready-to-use database connection for any part of the application. Next, we define a simple model class to represent data from the customer table. This allows Dapper to automatically map query results into strongly typed objects, making data handling clean and efficient. To read data, we open a connection and run SQL query selecting basic customer fields. Dapper automatically maps each result row to our model. We loop through the list and print customer info to the console. We add a new customer by preparing SQL statement with parameters and passing in values through an object. After the insert, we immediately query the database to confirm the new record was successfully added. To update, we identify a specific record using name filters and apply new values. Once updated, we retrieve the modified row and display it to confirm the changes. This is a safe, targeted way to update data. To delete, we specify the exact customer by name and run a delete operation. The app prints the number of rows removed, giving us explicit confirmation that the operation worked as expected. dotConnect for QuickBooks Online makes database access in .NET fast, flexible, and developer-friendly, especially when paired with Dapper. Download the 30-day free trial and simplify your next data-driven project.